Now coming soon, GeekBuying 11.11 sales up to 90% off. Wow, just wow. You can get up to 90% off GeekBuying any product for 11.11 sales. This is the offer. Save 5% on 50% or above up to 90% using coupon code. 11.11 biggest deal started 8 November to 14 November, and flash deal started 8 November to 15 November. Also has discovered new take, smart life, that's meant hot deals, wearables, others gadgets, etc. Indoor and outdoor, PC hobbies toy, home garden, sports and outdoors, gadget deals in security systems, mobile accessories, car accessories, watches and jewelries. Just you can grab this. This is coming soon at November 8th. Okay, enjoy GeekBuying 11.11 biggest sales. Thank you.